Hi guys, it's Shiv and you're welcome to this profile picture tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you or guide you how to create profile pics like this, which is used by editors with the 3D text. For that, you need these plugins. Go to your After Effects and create a new composition. For this, we want a square comp. So go to your presets and select the square, which is 1080 by 1080. Then hit OK and it will create your composition. Just reduce your comp to single frame because we do not need the much bigger, just need the single frame to work on. After that, just drag and drop your character's PNG, which means it should be without background. After that, just scale your character and adjust it according to your need, like your scale and your position. After that, just trim your layer and recompose this, and then Control D it, which will duplicate the layers. Duplicate it 2 times, then rename it 1, 2 and 3. Select the layer 2 and increase the scale of it, just to make sure that it will cover your borders of your character's PNG. Then select the layer 3 and increase the scale, and it should cover your whole background without leaving any black spot. Okay, after that, just select the layer 2 and press Ctrl Alt Y, which will create this adjustment layer, and drag and drop BCC fast lens blur on this adjustment layer and keep it 15. Leave it as it is. Just trim it to make your timeline look better. Okay, after that, just let's add some glow to his eyes. CC light, light race. Here you can see the CC light race. Drag and drop it on your main character layer, and you can see the small dot which will create the trace over your character. Just settle it into his eyes like this, and here you can control the intensity of it, like in how much intensity you want, and you can change the position. Okay, this looks better. After that, if you want to put any logo of your app or software like After Effects or CapCut or Lightmotion, you can put it here and put it below the background. I won't put it because it's a bit outdated nowadays. Okay, after doing this, I'll just add the drop shadow like this and increase the opacity and softness, so just you can see the clear difference between background and your character. After that, just right click on your character layer and go to the layer styles and select bevel and emboss. Click on it and open it over here and increase the size of it. Let's keep it 71. You can change it according to your need. Just scroll down and increase the highlight opacity to max 100, and then just close it, and let's now add our 3D text. For that, select the text tool and then write your name. I'll write Shiv as my name, and then increase the scale of it just to with it properly, and you can align it in center. Remember that your letters should have the spacing. If it doesn't have spacing, you can use any font, and that spacing differs between the fonts. So if your font do not have this spacing, just create it by scrolling over here. You can change the spacing. I have plenty of space between characters, so it's okay. After that, just turn off the visibility and click here, right click here and go to new and add a solid layer. Make sure that it is black, not any other color. After that, just hit OK and add your element on the solid layer. After adding that element, just go to the custom layers and then go to custom text and masks, and in the path layer one, just open the and from none select it to your text, which is shared for me, and then go to the custom texture maps. In the layer one, from none to select your character layer. After that, just go to the scene setup and hit on this extrude button. If you want to change the width or height of your text, just press R on your keyboard and drag this pivots. But for me, this is okay, so I'll leave it as it is. Then you can go to the presets here in bevel, select physical, and you will see all these bevel which are by default in element plugin. You can choose any, but for me gold stripes is better, so I'll double click on it and it will get applied on my text. Now I don't want the gold because I want it more shiny, so I'll select the chrome. For that, just go open this extrusion model, and here is my gold element. You can check it by turning on and off visibility. Just go to materials, select physical, and you can see the materials over here. Just select the chrome and drag and drop it to the gold basic. Okay, now we have the chrome on our surface. After that, just go to environment and hit this arrow and select the custom layer 1, which we have selected in our element setting. After that, just increase the brightness to maybe 100 or as per your need. Then you can increase the chroma. After that, just press OK and you're done here. Hit OK and you can see our text is here. Now after this, go to the group 1 and then particle replicator, and you can change the position in position X and Y. After that, just open the particle look and you can control the particle size from here. For me, this is okay. After that, just scroll down, search for the multi-object and click on this arrow and enable the multi-object. Now you can see all these values pop up, but here we have to find the rotation RA, which is random rotation. Just select it and rotate your text until you see the shine of your character on your text. I guess this is pretty good. Okay, after that, close this and then add deep glow to your solid layer. And change the radius to 200 and exposure to 0.40. If it's too much, just go to 0.20. After that, just add drop shadow. Increase the opacity to maximum and softness to near about 100. Okay, after that, just duplicate your element which is solid layer. After duplicating it, just search for s_edge detect and drag and drop on your top layer. After that, it will look like this. Then go to the effect and here you can see RGB edges. Just convert it to the mono edge and it will all look like white. Then just right click over the layer and go to blending mode and set it to screen and it will look like this. You can play with the opacity by pressing T, how much dark border you want. Okay, let's leave it like this. After that, just okay, before pre-composing, just let's do the CC part. Let me trim this. Add the adjustment layer and add your color correction, whichever you want to use. I'm going to use my own color correction. If you want it, you'll get it on Discord. So this is how my color correction looks. After that, just trim this and recompose everything, and then duplicate this layer twice and rename it again as character layer, the ring, and the background. Okay, one more thing, I just remembered that we have to add something in the background. Of course, like overlay is an all. Just go inside your character composition and you can use any overlay you have. I have these overlays. You'll get it on my server. Just drag and drop it, and it's yellow, which matches nowhere to my theme. So just change the color, search for hue, and drag and drop hue to the overlay layer, and then you can change the color by simply rotating the style. I'll choose somewhat like blue or purple. I don't know what color is this. After that, just go to the right click here and go to the blend mode and select the screen. Okay, now just add the glow and do our genuine settings. Radius 200 and exposure 0.20. And after doing this all, just drag your overlay layer below your character layer like this, and after that just come to your main comp, and you can see our profile pic is almost ready. Let's add the ring now. Just hit this mono icon, so your other two layers will be disabled, their visibility and audio and complete everything. Just our middle layer will be visible. After that, just add the motion tile over it. And make sure you have checked this mirror edges option. Then change output width to 200. Output height to 202. And then just scale down it like this, not much, like this only. And then select search for s_edge colorize, which is this, and drag and drop it on your ring layer. It will look like this. After that, add the glow. Okay, it looks like this. And then just pre-compose your ring layer like this. Okay, and now you can just cut out it as circle. For that, just let's mask it. To mask it, we have to go to the masking tool. If your masking tool looks like this rectangle, you can change it by left clicking. Press your left click, hold it, and this will pop up. Then select the ellipse tool, and then after that double click on the ellipse tool and it will create a circle, a perfect circle. Then just turn off this mono dot, and then select the topmost layer and reduce the scale. Okay, before that, let's cut it out to the circle tool. Just select the top layer and double click on the ellipse tool. Okay, now you can change the scale, reduce it how much you want. I guess for me this is okay. You can, if you want to keep your ring broader, you can change it, but I recommend you to keep it 95. After this, all we have to add the light clicks, which will be done with the optical flares. If you do not have optical flares, you can join my Discord. Again, I'll share you the optical flare plugin too, and also if you do not want to install the plugin, you can directly put the overlay in that. I'll get just send you the overlay image, and you can put it, turn the blending mode to screen, and just add the glow. Okay, let's search for optical flares, and here you can see the optical flares in Video Copilot. Just drag and drop it to the adjustment layer, and from render mode on black to original, and let's go to the options. Now hide everything you see here. Okay, and then add this streak, then this area, and then this hoop, and you can add this lens fold. Okay, this is enough. Then just hit OK, or add this multi erase too, and then hit OK, and then just change the color. Take this picker and take your environment color or character color, whatever you like. I'll select the cloth color. Use this while it will match my theme, and just adjust it like this. You can increase the brightness from here. Just Control D it and change it wherever you want. Like here, go to the options and remove this hoop, and then this iris. Press OK, and it will look like this. You can, if you do not want it much, you can just change the location anywhere you want in this column. Like this. Okay, we're basically done here, adding our VFX. Let's trim this layer too and pre-compose everything. After that, okay, before pre-composing, select the topmost layer and right click over it. Go to layer styles, select the bevel and emboss. Go to the bevel and emboss and increase the scale, so it will give you like this circle look. After that, just close it, go to the main comp, and your profile pic is ready. How to export it? Just select it, go to edit, go to composition, then go to add to render queue, and then in this change the format to JPG sequence. Hit OK, give it a name. I'll give it like a profile picture, and then save it and just render it, and we're done here.